Ongoing information shows Ethereum generally is exchanging at $2,262.57 in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Our Ethereum very long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes ETH possibly going somewhere in the range of $128,778.89 and $145,395.52 in a by and large for the most part huge way, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH, sort of is determined to explicitly essentially arrive at a very normal cost of $0.00000023 toward the finish of 2025 in a huge manner, or so they thought. Experts project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $37,701.36 mark, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH, in a real sense for the most part is expected to explicitly by and large arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $114,239.34 constantly 2040 in an essentially significant manner, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Starting around 06 December 2023 Ethereum sort of is exchanging at $2,262.57 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.37% and lovely especially most recent 60 minutes, exhibiting how our Ethereum in every practical sense, extremely long-haul estimate for 2050, proposes ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $128,778.89 and $145,395.52. Exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking, which certainly is very critical. ETH most certainly in a real sense has a quite all-out market cap of $272,021,062,682, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,656,800,377, so examiners project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $37,701.36 mark. Essentially kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking in a sort of large manner. This truly makes Ethereum, ETH, in every way that really matters, sort of positioning at 2 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you basically in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally essentially is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2040, what will Ethereum in a real sense all things considered be extremely worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Ethereum a truly wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2040 in a kind of especially huge manner, which is very critical? Will ETH cost all things considered, for the most part outperform its unsurpassed kind of high in a significant manner? These vary are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a kind of especially enormous manner in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum, ETH value expectation 2040, as per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040 the ETH cost actually especially is supposed to cross a very exceptionally normal value level of $2,263.36, the normal decently certainly least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the kind of lovely current year, ought to actually truly be $2,069.36. Which entirely all goals and purposes shows that these truly generally are our Ethereum cost forecasts for ETH's future in an unpretentious manner, which fundamentally is very critical. Besides, ETH can explicitly truly arrive at an especially lovely greatest value level of $2,328.03 in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely significant way. Ethereum value figure December 2023. In December 2023 the cost of Ethereum truly sort of is supposed to in a real sense generally be at around a decently extremely least of $2,069.36 in a genuinely significant manner, or so they thought. Ethereum cost can generally explicitly arrive at a really limit of $2,328.03, with the in every practical sense, fundamentally normal cost of $2,263.36 in United States dollars, exhibiting that examiners project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $37,701.36 mark, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum exceptionally in every practical sense, past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Ethereum's cost actually really has shown a reasonably most certainly great increment of 1.67% in the extremely most recent 24 hours, certainly in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking in a significant way. From especially essentially most recent 7 days, the ETH generally truly was in commonly in every way that really matters, great vertical pattern, and expanded by 11.95%, which by and large for the most part is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Ethereum in a real sense, has shown commonly serious areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be pretty especially great chance to by and large dive right in and contribute, especially most certainly further appearance how Ethereum value gauge December 2023. In December 2023 the cost of Ethereum especially truly is supposed to truly be at around at least $2,069.36 in a sort of genuinely enormous manner, or so they especially thought. Ethereum value gauge 2040 facts. What will be Ethereum pretty by and large worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner? The ETH cost especially generally is estimated to for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $2,328.03, with actually fundamentally least cost of $2,069.36 toward the finish of 2040, showing how the ETH cost basically generally is determined to especially arrive at a kind of in every way that really matters. Greatest degree of $2,328.03 with very all plans and purposes least cost of $2,069.36 toward the finish of 2040, which all things considered is genuinely critical in an unpretentious way. Does Ethereum explicitly especially have a future in an unpretentious manner, which for the most part is genuinely critical? As far as value, Ethereum quite has an exceptional in every practical sense, lovely potential to in every way that really matters, for the most part arrive at new levels, so in a real sense certainly is Ethereum a by and large most certainly wise speculation, or most certainly truly worth purchasing in 2040 in a significant manner, or so they thought. It sort of is gauged that ETH will increment in esteem, so starting around 06 December 2023 Ethereum certainly generally is exchanging at $2,262.57 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.37% in fundamentally truly most recent 60 minutes, showing how our Ethereum pretty in every practical sense. Long-haul estimate for 2050 recommends ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $128,778.89 and $145,395.52, which for the most part is genuinely critical, or so they thought. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Ethereum can sort of fundamentally raised a ruckus around town, the barely the greatest cost of $0.0000058 till 2030, exhibiting how might ETH cost generally in every way that really matters, outperform its untouched exceptionally high in an unpretentious manner. Is Ethereum all things considered worth purchasing in 2040 in a by and large quite enormous manner, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking? Ethereum's worth basically is supposed to basically especially keep on extending, as deficiency will in general in every practical